Hello, Phil Thomas, New Era Systems. I've got a little project today. I want to fire up a Quintech 125 watt buck, and to do it I want to use this old Paradise Datacom P300 satellite modem. This P300 only puts out 70 megahertz. The buck is going to require L-band, anywhere between 950 and about 1750 megahertz in the L-band range. And so the first thing I have to do is to use this Quintech to upconvert 70 meg into the L-band frequency. So that's what I've got going on. And then once I get through this, later, maybe tomorrow, I'm going to put the Comtech EF data buck, this guy right here, this is the 150 watt buck. I'm going to put this up on the bench, and I'm going to connect it using this old 70 megahertz modem. Luckily, the Comtech buck has its own internal 10 meg reference, and so I don't need to worry about that. It also takes all of its power from AC, whereas a lot of the bucks require 24 volts or 48 volts over the IFL cable. This one doesn't. So I should be able to get the whole combination to work with a very old modem. But of course, typically today you would simply buy an L-band modem, and the L-band modem would take out a couple of these steps. But as a way of demonstrating what this Quintech can do and what this old legacy modem can do, this is what I'm up to today. Let's look at the back of this modem. This top one is the modem, that's the transmit port, and it's going, that's the 70 meg signal coming out of there, and it's going into the input port of that Quintech unit. And you can see from the label, there's the L-band out that's going to, in my case, the spectrum analyzer, though it should be going to a buck. Okay, I'm going to run through the operation of this Quintech frequency converter. It converts 70 megahertz to L-band frequency. And there are 4 preset channels on it. They can be preset to anything you want. I've set them all within a very close range, so I can look at the output on the spectrum analyzer without having to jump up and change things. Let's just go to channel 1, 999.125, channel 2, 1000, which is the center frequency of the spectrum analyzer, by the way, that you'll see in a moment. 1000, channel 3, 1006.25, and finally channel 4 at 1001.125. So let's just go back to channel 1 again and look at the spectrum analyzer, and you'll see on the spectrum analyzer that it's set exactly to that 999.125 output, even though the input from the modem is only 70 megahertz. So this upconverter has done its job. Let's look at channel number 2, and again you saw the shift on the spectrum analyzer as it went up to 1000 meg. Channel 3, 625, and now we're up to 1001.125, and again the shift was evident. This is a very easy thing to program. Press F1 for the menu. It always asks for a password. The password is very simple, it's 732. And now we can put it into test mode, or we can go to F2 and start to edit the channels. And this is where I would change that sing channel 4. So let's just change it to 1002 000. That's done. That's all I had to do. And I do F4 to exit, and now when I look at channel 4, it's no longer shown on the spectrum analyzer because it's just gone out of range. But that's it. It's a very simple, very useful device. Anyone who wants to upconvert from 70 to L-band, this is the device you need.